Iran has lodged a complaint with the International Court of Justice against the United States' reimposition of sanctions. Iran's foreign ministry says that their goal is to hold United States accountable for its unlawful reimposition of unilateral sanctions. The complaint came in response to Washington's decision in May to abandon the 2015 nuclear deal and reimpose sanctions on Iran. Iran says the action violates international obligations, including the 1955 US-Iran Treaty of Amity, an agreement signed well before Iran's 1979 revolution, but which is still invoked in the ongoing legal battles. Iran and the United States have not had diplomatic relations since the year 1980, when American embassy officials were held hostage in Tehran. Nuclear-related sanctions will be imposed by Washington in two phases in August and November, seeking to bar European and other foreign companies from doing business with Iran and blocking its oil sales abroad as well. Iran and the other signatories to the 2015 agreement have been scrambling to preserve the limited trade deals they were able to secure since it was signed.
The 19th, along with President Rouhani, over 600